Did you know that global automotive industry spent $44 billion on warranty costs last year? Subsystems like engine, clutch, gearbox, axles and brakes contribute to 60% of warranty spend by OEMs. Reducing warranty cost helps to improve the profitability of your organization. Achieving such operational efficiencies help your organization to improve its profits in dynamic market conditions. This is John, the VP Warranty of an automotive OEM. He wants to reduce his warranty costs by 3 to 10% each year. His major concern is the warranty cost of powertrain components. While he tries to overcome this problem, he faces certain challenges. His existing IT systems lack the actionable product engineering intelligence, resulting in higher count of failures per vehicle and repeat failures. A high number of unscheduled vehicle visits to the service center or higher vehicle downtime were also his major concerns. In addition to the above, his cross-functional team consume a higher lead time of 1 to 6 months to identify the root causes for failures. John's colleague Kevin suggests him RelAI, a software product that he heard about at an AI expo, and hands him the brochure. He tells him the data from service centers and vehicle sensors that their OEM collects would come in handy and of great use for this.
RelAI is a software product which uses artificial intelligence for improving reliability of vehicles. A cognitive reliability analytics solution for automotive OEMs and suppliers. RelAI harnesses job card and sensor data to analyze and reduce 10 to 30% of the warranty costs by predicting failures before they could happen. The key features of RelAI are secure data pipeline and lake, failure signature analysis, failure prediction algorithms, failure network graph, and dashboards, alerts, and reports. The secure data pipeline feature can pull failure data from vehicle sensors and dealership centers seamlessly through pre-built pipelines to establish alignment across the enterprise. The failure signature analysis feature has pre-built domain techniques to learn from the patterns of hundreds of engineering parameters to decide which ones have a higher chance of correlation with specific failures through Workbench. The failure prediction feature uses the built-in domain-specific algorithms to identify the likelihood of imminent failures within vehicle subsystems. This helps the service team to proactively send targeted campaigns to contain these failures at an early stage. The failure network graph helps the service manager to identify the likelihood of successive failures of subsystems in the failure chain that are impacted by the immediate failures. The service team then sends alerts to the technicians to attend these independent failures as well. RelAI also has dashboards with alerts and reports that allows collaboration with cross-functional teams such as quality, engineering, and service to track the status of warranty cost reduction projects in real time.
John understands that RelAI could reduce lead time for root cause analysis, vehicle downtime, unscheduled visits to service center, and also helps him to select the right suppliers based on the quality data. All these would benefit him in significantly reducing his warranty costs. Once John implements RelAI, he is able to reduce his warranty cost by up to 30% for engines. Realizing the considerable reductions in his warranty costs, he creates multiple projects and manages them for savings. RelAI's AI engine has 4 accelerators: Sensor Data Mapping Framework, Pre-Processing Framework, Machine Learning Engineering Framework, and Machine Learning Pipeline, which are pre-built frameworks for automotive-specific use cases that help to reduce the lead time in the solution's implementation, maintenance, and support phases. Also, RelAI has been hosted in cloud to ensure secure scalability across millions of your vehicles. RelAI's unique differentiators like failure network graph, failure signature analysis, and pre-built accelerators that are specifically built for automotive domain helps you to achieve 2 times cost savings and 2 times reduction in vehicle downtime, 20% reduction in total cost of ownership of the solution, better adoption with your stakeholders, Built with Hinduja Tech's automotive expertise, RelAI's vision is to engineer mobility with zero failures. It is a cognitive reliability analytics solution that traces failure scenarios and predicts failures in vehicles before they happen using the data that you shall already have collected. RelAI helps your warranty managers, quality managers, engineering managers and service managers to take proactive decisions to contain the failures of your products holistically. With a strong products roadmap, RelAI can also be scaled to different use cases in predictive reliability for your current and future powertrain product lines, be it hybrid or fully electric vehicle architectures. Are you facing any of the challenges like John? Are you keen to reduce failures in your products? Reach out to our experts and experience RelAI to deliver reliable mobility experiences to your ecosystem.